Many of you probably wondered, why does my child react like this? Why so much fear or anger or confusion or lack of confidence? Very often the answer is not in the child. It is in the parenting style the child is growing up with. Hi, I'm Dr. Antony. Welcome to Neuroparenting, where neuropsychology and brain science help you raise confident and balanced children in today's world. Let's talk honestly about parenting styles and how they shape a child's brain, personality, and future behavior. First, we need to understand one simple truth. A child's brain grows best in an environment of safety, empathy, and consistent boundaries. Children don't just hear our words, they absorb our emotional tone, our reactions, our energy. Over time, your emotional tone becomes your child's inner voice. Now, psychologists broadly describe 4 parenting styles. This is not about blaming parents, it's about awareness and correction. Let's go through them one by one. Authoritarian parenting. In authoritarian parenting, there is high control and low warmth. Rules are strict. Obedience is expected. Explanations are minimal. You may hear the phrases like, "Do as I say, no questions. I know what is best for you." Now, what happens to the child? On the outside, the child may look obedient and well behaved, but inside, the child often feels fearful, anxious, and unsure of themselves. They learn to behave to avoid punishment, not because they understand. As adults, such children often struggle with criticism. They fear failure. Some become overly submissive, while others rebel in later life. Emotionally, they may find it hard to express feelings or trust their own judgment. What helps here? Authoritarian parents don't need to remove discipline. They need to add empathy, explain rules, share reasons behind consequences, invite questions. Discipline works best when children feel emotionally safe. Permissive parenting. Now let's look at permissive parenting. Here, there is high warmth but low control. Parents are loving, friendly, and indulgent. Rules are few. Confrontation is avoided. You may hear, "It's okay, let it go. They will learn on their own. I don't want to upset my child." Children in permissive homes often grow up friendly and creative, but they also struggle with boundaries. They act impulsively. They find it hard to delay gratification. Self-discipline is weak. As adults, they may struggle with responsibility, authority, and consistency. What helps here? Permissive parenting needs structure without harshness. Set clear limits. Be consistent. Teach responsibility. Guidance is not control. Boundaries are a form of care. Neglectful parenting. Now, this is the most damaging style. Neglectful parenting has and low control. Parents are emotionally distant. There is little guidance, attention, and involvement. Children here often feel invisible. They withdraw. They doubt their worth. They struggle socially and emotionally. As adults, they are at higher risk of mental health issues, unstable relationships, and difficulty coping up with stress. What happens here? The most important intervention is presence. Engage emotionally, create routines, spend intentional time, show interest in child's inner world. In many cases, professional support is necessary, and that is not a failure, it is a responsible step. Authoritative parenting. This is the healthiest parenting style. Authoritative parenting combines high warmth and high control. There are clear rules. There is emotional safety. Communication is open. Here parents are guiding them, not dominating. They correct, but they also listen. Children raised in this way tend to be obedient, emotionally balanced, socially skilled, and self-disciplined. As adults, they show resilience, emotional intelligence, strong problem-solving skills, and healthy relationships. What keeps this style effective? Consistency, validation of feelings without removing boundaries, encouraging decision making, praising effort, not just results. Now, here is an important reminder. Most parents do not fit neatly into one category. We often switch styles based on stress, culture, and our own childhood experiences. The goal is not perfect parenting. The goal is conscious parenting, mindful parenting. Parenting shapes the brain long before it shapes the behavior. Every interaction leaves a trace. When children feel safe, understood, and guided, they don't just behave better, they become stronger, healthier adults. And remember, the parenting you choose to be today can change a child's entire life.